Hey guys, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Today we're taking a drive in the 2023 Range Rover Velar to give you a road test noise experience. So I'm going to be quiet and let you listen. We'll try a couple of different sets of road as far as the surfaces go. And you can hear what it sounds like on rough pavement and on smooth pavement. So there you go. It's a little windy today, so you're going to get a little bit more wind noise than you normally would, but ultimately it's really not bad. Considering the fact that it's dead quiet in here other than the road noise, it's really relatively quiet. So that'll give you an idea, if you're planning to buy a 2023 Range Rover Velar, what the interior sounds like when driving down the road at highway speeds.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.